Hello, welcome back all of you. Hope you're doing well. In this video we will solve this power problem, and let's see, the problem is 9 to the power 5 plus 9 to the power 4 plus 9 to the power 3 plus 9 to the power 2 plus 9. We are going to find the value of this but without using calculator. It is a bit difficult to solve the big powers, but we are going to split the powers and then we will simplify. Let's see the solution. We can write 9 to the power 5 as 9 to the power 4 times 9 to the power 1 plus 9 to the power 4 is as same as 9 to the power 4 times 1. Similarly, 9 to the power 3 is equal to 9 to the power 2 times 9 to the power 1 plus this can be written as 9 to the power 2 times 1 plus 9 as it is. From the first two terms we can factor out 9 to the power 4. And here we have 9 plus 1. Similarly, from here we can factor out 9 to the power 2. And inside bracket we have 9 plus 1. We have the one factor 9 plus 1. And the other factor 9 to the power 4 plus 9 to the power 2. Bracket close plus 9. 9 plus 1 is 10 times 9 to the power 4 plus 9 to the power 2 plus 9. Now we are going to solve this 9 to the power 4 plus 9 to the power 2. So 10 bracket. This can be written as 9 to the power 2 times 9 to the power 2 plus this is equal to 9 to the power 2 times 1 plus 9. 10 times we have 9 to the power 2 common, and inside bracket we have 9 to the power 2 plus 1 plus 9. This is equal to 10 times 9 square is 81, and inside bracket 9 square 81 plus 1 82. We are going to multiply these. 81 times 10 is 810, and multiplying it by 82, 810, 82, 0, 2 1 time is 2, 2 8 time is 16, 0, 8, 64, 0 to 14, 1 carry, 6 and 6, 66,420 plus 9. This is equal to 66,429. This is the final and required value. I hope this is clear. If any step is not clear, you can ask to me in the comment box. Don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.